Welcome to Structorium. People often confuse an operation with the process. Drilling a hole is not a process. Tightening one bolt is not a process. These are operations. An operation is a single action, one specific step. A product is rarely made with just one operation. When operations are connected in the right sequence, a process is created. The order matters. If one operation fails, the entire process is affected. An operation is one task. A process is the complete flow. Understanding the difference helps improve efficiency, quality, and control.